Hello and welcome to Quick Discover Law Reports. I'm your law librarian Susan and I'll be taking you through this session today. Our topic today is finding a law report. Law reports are reports of cases decided by the courts, comprising a statement of the facts of every case and the reason the court gave for the judgment. For example, the ILRM or Irish Law Reports Monthly. Let's look for a law report now using OneSearch, and we're going to look for the Irish Law Reports Monthly. To find this law report in the library, click on the Library tab in UCD Connect. Scroll down on the Online Tools page and click into OneSearch. Type in the name of the law report you're looking for, so I'm going to type in the full title, Irish Law Reports Monthly, and click on Search. And this will bring up the record for the law report in OneSearch. And you can see that we have it here in print and also electronically as well. So to see more about the print version, click on the plus more button, and you can see that it's kept in the James Joyce Library, and you can click on the map here to see exactly where that's located. So this tells you that the printed version of the Irish Law Reports Monthly is held on level 2 of the James Joyce Library. And if I scroll down, you can see that it's kept over in this red section of this bay here, which is over near the lake. So that's level 2 of the James Joyce Library. And I can close out of this to exit out of the map. But you may wish to look at the online version, particularly if you're studying from home. So I'm going to click onto the link for the electronic version. So click on the full text online link. This will bring you into Westlaw.ie, which gives us our subscription to the online version of the ILRM, also known as the Irish Law Reports Monthly. So you can see here we have a subscription from 1976 until 2020. So you could click into any one of these years and browse through the cases reported in the Irish Law Reports Monthly for that year. Or you can do a search up here using these fields and search by a keyword or a party name or by citation to find an exact case reported on in the Irish Law Reports Monthly. So I'm going to do a search here for Dunnes Stores. And you'll see the prompts there, so I'm going to click on that and click on search. And it will bring up a result list, and I can click into one that I'm interested in. So I'm going to click into this one for January 2020. And you can see it gives you the date, it gives you the court, you have the logo there that tells you it's the Irish Law Reports Monthly, and you can scroll down and see the facts of the case, and you can see the cases referred to in the judgment, representation, and you can also see the decision as well at the end, and also the conclusion. You'll see the conclusion here. There's the decision and the conclusion as well. And you can opt to print, save or email if you want to do that as well. And that's how you find a law report using OneSearch at UCD Library. So now you know how to find the Irish Law Reports Monthly. You can use the same technique to find other law reports in UCD Library via OneSearch. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, get in touch with us at the library.